What are those?
I think those might be nuts. Ground up.
I came back.
You did come back. Take a bite of your apple.
I put the movie back.
Oh, good. Thank you.
I put the movie back.
Good. Thanks. Charlie, take a bite.
I put this on there. I do this for daycare.
Did you do that at daycare?
Hold it up and show the camera.
It has caramel.
It does.
Let me sit on. Wow.